How to add somebody on Snapchat without saying added by search. So first off, I'm going to click on my friends right here in the right corner, and let's search for a Mike, like that. All right, so I'm gonna take the second person as an example, Mike Oates 9800. So if we just press add right here on the right, it is going to say added by search. But if you want to appear less desperate, or you just don't like the message added by search, here is how you do it. You press on the person's icon, so in this case this one, and you click on add friend. By pressing this option, it is going to say added by username. So I repeat, don't use the direct add button on this page. You have to click on their icon and click on add as friend. This way it will say added by username. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Take care.